Welcome to Doobly. What if you could earn cash back on the things you already buy every day? Now you can. At Doobly, you shop at the same stores you shop normally, get the best deals, and on top of that, earn among the world's leading cash back with each purchase. Doobly has partnered with thousands of merchants and travel companies from around the world that pay us commissions based on the products you buy. In turn, we pass these commissions on to you in the form of cash back. Shop for all your favorite products in our shopping malls. Doobly's malls feature thousands of brand name stores from all corners of the globe. You can book all your travel-related needs through Doobly's travel portal. Flights, hotels, car rental, exclusive vacation packages, leisure services, and other travel-related products and services. Doobly serves all of your travel needs and pay you cash back on each of your bookings. Join for free and earn cash back on every purchase you make in our shopping mall and travel portal. Cashback amounts are clearly specified throughout the website. Remember to log in before you make a purchase and you'll receive all your cashback rewards. Upgrading to the exclusive premium membership entitles you to an additional 4% cashback annually. When you purchase the elite level VIP membership, you will earn the highest possible percentage, 6% additional cashback paid to you on a monthly basis. Our travel and shopping mall teams scour the globe to find the best deals and special offers and offer you exclusive coupon codes and access to valuable merchant promotions. Combining these special coupons and promotions with cashback provides truly astounding savings. Not only does Doobly make shopping easier, but the annual cashback can be significant each year for your family. Now is the time to make Doobly your one-stop source for travel, shopping, and entertainment to help you live the lifestyle you deserve. Shop at Doobly.com, where our motto is better deals, more cash back.